So I'm just gonna put some olive oil, and I'm going to stir fry with some chicken. And after that, I'm going to put some green curry paste. So you can get them from Asian grocery. Oh, I hope it's not too spicy for my friend. Quite a lot. So now the smell is really nice. You can smell all the herbs, the garlic, the chili, and they put the garlic down in there. No, I can't smell it. But anyway, gonna put the coconut cream. Actually, this is the coconut cream first. So you fry with the coconut cream until it come oily. Beautiful. So I'm gonna add some more coconut. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put some water in as well, so it wouldn't be too thick. So I put some Thai eggplants in. I put when I chop up, I put in the cold water and add some salt, so it wouldn't be black. The vegetable keep the vegetable the same color. All right, we just need to wait a little bit, and we'll come back for that. Add some salt now, and then I would add some sugar. I'll put some of this first. Just hold it. And a little bit of fish sauce. You can get this from Woolworths. But if you like it spicy, you could add some fresh chilies. Beautiful. We're just gonna wait until the vegetable cook. I got some egg quail. Put them in here. They actually already cooked before they put in there. Here we go. Okay, this is basil from my garden. I'm just gonna put the noodle in the bowl now for everyone. This noodle is a vermicelli noodle. Lovely. And the egg quail. Okay, everyone can get two. There we go. Done. Yeah.